y después besarte si es que me lo autorizas.
Y nos podemos perder esta noche loca. Sé que tú quieres también, sola te provocas. Tu sensualidad, lo que me atrapa, su mirada de ángel, pero ella es una diabla. Sabe a lo que va cuando me mira, cero sentimientos porque eso no se me da.
Mejor la pasamos bien, juliando esta noche.
Sin sentimientos, mujer, y los dos conformes.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubs. Welcome back to the video. Okay, before we start this, I just want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Max Speeding Rods. Go check them out for any affordable auto parts. Like what we're doing in this video, we're doing the drop kit. They have drop kits all the way from, I didn't look into OBS's, but I know for MBS's they have them all the way to the newer trucks. So go check them out for any parts. I know they have C-notches, they have shocks, they have engine motor mounts, pretty much bumper to bumper. Besides body parts, they'll have what you need. For example, for my truck, I found anything from motor mounts to, like I said, flip kits, C-notches, and many more products, even for cars. So go check them out, guys. And I do have some discount codes down here for you guys, so go check out those discount codes and use them, and you'll save even more money. Their parts are already affordable, imagine saving even more. So check it out. Before I get you guys the information of how to enter, here's a little quick unboxing of everything that comes with the kit. It's, like I said, it's only the rear flip kit, so it's only for the rear. You'd have to find the front drop parts on your own. Sadly, Max Speeding Rod does not sell front drop kits. They do sell front leveling kits and front lift kits, but not front drop kits. So you're on your own on that one, but you could win a rear drop flip kit. So let's get into the unboxing and check out the parts. Before we start this unboxing of this flip kit, I want to thank Max Speeding Rods and Libby from Max Speeding Rods for sending me this flip kit right here for the 2016 Silverado single cab that I have over here. So this right here is a 6-inch flip kit for 2014 to 2018 Silverado, whether it's a single cab or extended or 4-door. Comes with all the hardware. Got all the hardware right here. As you guys can see. Just gonna lay it out for you guys. Okay, so let's talk about the giveaway. So there's 3 steps you need to take in order to get entered for this giveaway, and the winner will be chosen randomly after about a week. Only thing is you have to have an Instagram, so you have to go onto Instagram, follow me and Max Speeding Rods. I'll leave their Instagram link down in the description, including myself. You have to be subscribed to my YouTube. So that's 2 steps right there. Third step is comment 3 friends down in the comments of that post, then comment done, and there you go. That's all you need to do to get entered. So those of you that are watching on Instagram, this is the post right here. On this post, comment 3 friends down in the comments, and comment done when you're done. So that will secure your entry, and in about a week you'll find out if you win or not. So the prize is not only a flip kit, it is a 6-inch flip kit, US made, good product. It also ships from the US, so that's another plus. All right guys, so that right there is it. Once again, thank you to Max Speeding Rods and Libby over at Max Beanie Rods. Hopefully we'll work together again soon so we can get these people maybe another giveaway, who knows. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys get entered, because hey, flip kits are expensive. They go for like $100, or the cheapest I've seen is about $95. So then probably the most expensive without shocks, you could probably go up to like $140 for just a flip kit. So try your luck. Thank you guys. Peace out, everybody. TCB, be safe, take care. There's a lot going on right now, so be safe, everyone. Peace out.